when I go to the Philippines, definitely not going to miss you. Hogging all my camera time. You're hogging all my camera time. She doesn't care. Welcome everybody to a little unboxing. If you didn't understand it at the beginning of this, you're going to understand it now because I'm going to tell you. I am getting ready to go to the Philippines in a little less than 30 days, so I'm starting to prep. I'm trying to figure out what I can take with me, what I can't take with me. Originally, I was just going to take a backpack, just a small one, just a small book bag size backpack. Adam over at the Superman Museum said, why don't you go with hardly anything and just pick up what you need there, like clothes and stuff like that, wear them, and then before you leave the Philippines, just donate the clothes that you purchased when you were there so you could travel really, really light. And I thought that was a great idea, and that's what I was going to do. And then I decided to go ahead and order something else to take with me, which is in this ginormous box, which it's only 20 inches. What's inside here is only 20 inches. Seems small because I want to travel small, but it might be just big enough to bring a couple extra things. And hopefully it's the right size that I could use it as overhead and use my backpack as carry-on that goes underneath the seat. That's kind of my plan. So what is in here should hold at least my clothing and maybe my laptop computer. And then in my backpack, all I need to take is my camera gear. So in the backpack, camera gear, what's inside here, clothes and laptop. And that's all I'm going with. Going very, very light. And hopefully this is going to suit my needs. Anyway, this is an unboxing of some carry-on luggage I just purchased from Amazon. Let's get into the box. So it looks like I could just take my knife and just cut down the sides here. Oh. Sometimes they make the boxes easy to get into, sometimes hard to get into. Oh, let's lift you up. I gotta make some room on the table for the cat because she needs to see. She's curious. Where is she? She's around here somewhere. All right, so this is a hard case I found on Amazon, purchased it for $53, which there was some Samsonite luggage and stuff like that that was like $130 to $150. And I thought to myself, yeah, you know, do I really need to spend that kind of money on a piece of luggage? It's just me. I like getting stuff that is disposable. Though $53 really isn't disposable. This piece of luggage here, if you guys can see, well, you can see it. I can't. I should turn around so I can read it. It's on wheels. Look at that. Nice hard case. But I don't think it's hard enough to put under the plane. You know how rough people are when they load the luggage underneath the planes. I don't know if I would put anything in here other than clothes to go underneath the plane because I don't know how safe it would be. This is a 3-in-1 made by Wrangler. Has a USB port, so it must have some sort of battery where I can charge my phone and stuff while I'm sitting. That's going to be cool. It has a phone holder and a cup holder. So here on the back it looks like I don't know where the phone holder is. This is what I've seen on Amazon. This thing here, I don't know how you open it. Ow. This, would you look at that? So while I'm sitting in the bench, in the seat, waiting to board the plane for hours and hours and hours, because some of the places I'm going to, like Singapore, I have a 7-hour layover. There's no tables and anything like that. I can put a drink here. How cool is that? And it does look like it's slotted actually for a phone. So the cup holder, the cups can go in here, but also if you've got a phone, you can put it right here, which means the phone charger is probably somewhere up in here. Now, I do not know if it has a built-in battery or if I have to supply the battery. Let's unzip this thing and open it up. This is actually a lot bigger than I thought. When it said 20 inches, I was a little bit worried. Oh, okay. Let's see here. How do you... Oh, no, that wasn't the right zipper. That was not the zipper to open it up. That was his... Why is there multiple zippers? This is how often... When I went to Hawaii, I just brought my little backpack. So this has split zippers here. And that one goes all the way underneath. Should probably read and find out if there is a battery. Oh, yeah, so this is more than big enough for some shirts, some pants, shoes. Would really like, and some electronics possibly. But I would really like to find out if there is a battery, so I'm going to have to read. It does say there is a USB charge port on here somewhere. So that's something I'm definitely going to have to find. Nice, right? Not too bad. I'm assuming the USB charger would be outside. Oh, no, I see where it is. So this is a cup holder and a phone holder, and right in the middle there is a USB port so you could charge. And I'm assuming inside there is no battery, so I'm going to have to connect a battery inside that goes to this port that I could charge my phone. So I could be sitting here with a drink and my phone here. That's kind of cool. 53 bucks. Fairly sturdy. I think it's going to be just fine for the trip to the Philippines. So with this and my backpack that I'll show you guys later, I think I'm prepared. So what am I going to be taking? That's for another video. I'm going to show you exactly my packing for this and for my backpack if you're curious. Anyway, yeah, not too bad purchase. I was never really sure where to purchase luggage from, and I thought buying something from Amazon like this would be risky, but I think I'm pretty happy with the purchase. So until next time, as I start to prep more and more for my trip, hoping you guys check it out, I will see you from down the road and eventually from up in the air. Until then, peace out, everybody.